They'll ask this question for mostly 10 marks. Explain Sadruta, or 5 marks in 2023-24 question. They have asked for the 5 marks question. Explain Sadruta. Okay, we'll move on. Sadruta. What is Sadruta? Sadruta means good conduct. Means in shortly I can say, if someone elders are come, so we have to respect them. If some poor people comes, we have to give money to them. We should not hurt others. We should not hurt any animals and such things. What all we say, positive things, those all comes in this Sadruta. If they ask for 10 marks, you just write this much explanation and also write Dashavida Papa. It is more sufficient to write this much. Examiner can give marks if you write this much also. So we'll start with the Sadruta. Shloka goes, leave the first line Shloka. Second line, from second line it is important. That is the सुखार्थ सर्वभूतानां मतः सर्वप्रवृत्तय सुखं च न विना धर्मार्थ तस्माद् उपरो भवेतः भक्त्या कल्याणमित्राणि सेवेत तरदुर्गम्. See, to understand, or if you are facing any difficulties in splitting this shloka, just go through this box. See, for here last word it is sevetara durgaha. Say, for this detailed splitting they have mentioned sevata plus itara durgaha. So on combining these three words will come sevetara durgaha. Like that, same here. Dharma tasmad dharma para bhavetah. So on combining these four words, shloka comes dharma tasmad para bhavetah. If you are facing difficulties, just go through this. Go to this table. Now we'll understand the shloka meaning. Sukhartha sarva bhutana mataha sarva pravrittasya. Here they have mentioned, say, Sukhartha sarva bhutanaha. Sukhartha sarva bhutanaha means all living beings. Sukhartha means happiness. All the creatures are the behind of the happiness. Sarva bhutana means all the creatures, means all living beings, plants, animals, human beings, insects, such everything are behind the happiness. Next, Sukha cha na vina dharmat. There is no happiness without rightness. Come here for shloka. What Sukha means happiness, cha means and, na means no. Sukha and cha means and, na means no. Vina dharmar tasmat para bhavetah. Sukha cha na vina. There is no happiness without rightness. If you leave the dharma, then you will not get the happiness. That is the meaning of this. Sukha cha na vina tasmad bhare bhaveta. Hence all should follow the path of rightness. Tasmad means hence, therefore. So one should follow the dharma to get the happiness. Bhaktasya kalyana mitrani means friends should be served with the affection and good deeds, where as the others should be kept at a distance. Means whoever will be our friends, no, they have to be treated with the good means well, nicely you have to talk, and whenever it is necessary, give them, take them. Such rules will be there. And who all are our enemy, don't help them, just leave it. Such things they have mentioned in the Sadruta. Next topic is the Dashavida Papa Karma, most important. In Viva also, examiner or practical, the directly the external will be there, no, they'll come for your Viva, no, they'll ask, explain Dashavida Papa Karma, what all are those. This is important. Okay, we'll move on to this. Look what Himsa Sthanyo Nya Khamata Paishunyam Parusha Vrutte Sambhinalapam Vyapadam Abhidhya Durviparyam Papam Karmati Dashada Kaya Vak Manaso Sthyajetah. Kaya Vak Manaso Sthyajetah. Okay, splitting we'll see in the next term. Himsastyo anya Parusha Nruta. Himsa means you can understand dukkha or treating badly someone. Parusha Nruta means telling lie. Sambhinna Alapa means misunderstanding such things. Next, last, come here. Kaya Vak Manaso Tejetaha. This line is very important. What? Kaya Vak Manase Tejataha. This just remember, you'll understand this meaning. Why I said it is important in the next, I'll explain it. Okay. This Dashavida Papakana means there are mainly 10 activities which should not be performed by the human beings. There are mainly 10 activities that should not be performed by the 10 human beings. So those are known as the Dasha Vida Papam Karma. Dasha 10 Vida types. Papam Karma means should not be performed. So first, they have divided into 3 types. What are those? First one is Kaya Papa Margaha, sinful based on the physical, here mentioned physical body. Next one, next Vaka Papa Karmaha, that is sinful based on the speech. Kaya Papa Karna walk means on the base of the speech, on the base of the physical. Next Manasa Papa Karma on the base of the psychological condition. So I said no, Kaya Vak Manasa Thejeta means leaving. Kaya Papa Karma, Vaka Papa Karma, Manasa Papa Karma. These 10 are divided among Kaya, Vaka, Manasa. So how many comes in the Kaya? In Kaya mainly 3, 1, 2, 3, and in Vak 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in Manas 1, 2, 3. Vak based on speech only 4 are there. Kaya 3, Manas 3. What all are those? First one, Kaya Himsaha Sthyanyo Anyata Kamaha. Himsa means causing injury or giving torture. Sthanyo means stealing or robbing. These are all physical activities. Physical. Next, Anyata Kama, unlawful sexual activity or desiring for the others. Next, Vak Papa Karma, that is from the based on the speech. First one is the Paishunyam. Paishunyam means harsh speech, speaking out reality or standard or back stamps. We'll say no back stamps. Those will come in the Paishunya. Next, Parusha, harsh or rude talk. Next, Anrutta means speaking untruth or saying lie. Next one is Sambhinnalapa means speaking useless, causing separation or breaking a company. These all are called. These 4 are the Vak Papa Karma. Next, Manasa Papa Karma is 3. Vyapada, Abhidnyaha, Drugvipariha. What is Vyapada? Vyapada means intention of harming others. Next, Abhidnya means tolerating good to others. Not tolerating good for others means jealousy behavior comes under the Manasa. In Manasa, intention of harming others. This will be, you can understand with many serials like villains will be there. They'll be treating hero or heroines in very bad way. They should not get will be settled. Such things comes under Vyapada. Abhidnya means jealous. If you don't get that, but if your friends get, no, what will feel jealous? No, that is Abhidnya. They are saying you should not get jealous. Next, Duk Vipariya means finding fault or misunderstanding, faithless, etc. With scriptures, the information of friends or elders. So 10 Dashavida Papa Karma mainly divided into Kaya, Vaka, Manasa. Kaya among 3 Himsa, Stanya, Anatha, Kamaha. Vaka, Paishunya, Parasa, Anrutta, Sambhinna, Lapha. Manasa, Vyapada, Abhidnya, Drukvipariya. Only this much. Now what we'll do? This is the end of the Dinacharya part, and my next video will continue with the Rutucharya. I'll complete all the Samhita Adhyayana fully. If you want to get more videos, please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon. Whenever my new videos will be updated, you will get notification. It takes me a lot of effort to make such videos for you. Please put a small help for me to subscribing channel and sharing with a lot of your friends. Thank you. Keep loving me. Bye bye.